First up for the Red Alliance, Team 3999.
Shade Tree Robotics.
And next up, Team 4610.
The Bear Tech.
And rounding out the Red Alliance, Team 456.
All the way from Vicksburg, Mississippi, it's Siege Robotics.
Going over to the Blue Alliance side of the field now, Team 5431.
Titan Robotics.
And next up, their alliance partner, Team 3847.
It's Spectrum.
And rounding out the Blue Alliance, Team 4587.
Jersey Voltage.
All right, we got a thumbs up. Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go.
The robots take off in autonomous mode where everything is pre-programmed. 456 looking for a little slide drive, moving sideways there as 3847 lines up to the high boiler, shooting lots of points for the Blue Alliance. Both alliances have one rotor turning and autonomous as drivers take control for the teleop period. 3847 is looking to score a gear for the Blue Alliance. They do. They get it on the airship and bring it up the lift. Barely on there. Looks like it might be stuck, and the pilot's going to have a hard time getting that off the spring. The Blue Alliance is stuck in the middle of the field, colliding with 456 a little bit, as the Red Alliance is knocking some fuel all over the field, looking to pick it up and score it into that high boiler. Lots of fuel and gears on the ground now as 3999 and 3847 are competing behind the Red Alliance airship, but they get it off. 4587 moving sideways there. Looks like a little bit of fancy drive work going on, where they're collecting fuel across the field, knocking down some hoppers and getting as much fuel to score in that boiler. You can see a couple different teams now doing their best to collect fuel as more gears are getting scored. The Red Alliance has 2 rotors turning already, and the Blue Alliance gets their 3rd. There's still a gear stuck on that lift, but they're going to do their best to get it off. Lots of traffic going on as lots of fuel is spread all over the field. 4587 scooping up a whole load, and 5431 flying across the field for the Blue Alliance, trying to get another gear scored, but there's some defense being played by 456. 4587 helps them get away, and 5431 is scoring a gear. That's Titan Robotics putting a gear up into the blue airship. 456 moving over, still on top of Jersey Voltage, keeping them from collecting much more fuel, as they're going to line up to score now in that high boiler. Lots of robots shooting this match, looking to score as much as they can. There's about 30 seconds left in this match as you'll see the ropes come down in just a minute. There goes the alarm. 4587 is lining up to shoot in that high boiler. Lots of fuel going down. The ropes, the Blue Alliance is focused on the gears and they don't have the ropes. 5431 is looking to score there. Looking to score another gear, but here come the ropes now for the robots to start climbing. 456, Siege Robotics is already up in the air, and 5431 flies up for the Blue Alliance. 4587 is trying to line up to catch that Velcro. Let's see if they can do it. They've got it with 2 seconds left. 2 robots up for red and 2 robots up for blue. Here comes the score for qualification match number 30. Looks like it was close, but a win for the Red Alliance. Score of 265 to 242.